My name is Junior Anthony, and today I have a really awesome special guest. Her name is Donaita. She's my college freaking genius. She's a scientist or something like that. I can't even spell her major, by the way. But she's really amazing. I actually spent so much time with her personally. We went to Boston, met up with her. She's came to a few of my events. I seriously love this woman. She's so adorable, and I love like how she's been able to grow like throughout her journey with me. Like she's just massive growth. Actually, not even massive, exponential growth. So Donaita, hey, introduce yourself.
Hi, so my name is Donaita, and for the record, it's chemical engineering. So I'm majoring in chemical engineering at UML. So it's been very nice, and I started my online journey because I saw the potential in it, and I've been excited since then.
Awesome. So, Donaita, we actually covered today in class the use or the need of actually being like I guess I want to say focus, but in fact it was more discipline, right? We spoke about discipline and how discipline kind of affect us, and most people choose to not be disciplined. What are your thoughts on everything that we spoke about today?
Well, I thought that was a topic that actually could be useful for everybody, regardless of any area of life. Because I remember, like the first thing, I don't know if you remember, but when I started with my journey, and I had told you, well, I kind of like wanted to post college, to really dedicate more time to affiliate marketing, and you were like, you're not going to succeed if you perform really bad in your studies. And that really clicked in my mind. I'm like, yeah, that's true. Because if you perform really not well in one area of your life, this is how you're going to perform in all areas of your life. And since then, I started to be like, okay, how can I make this work? How can I find success in both? And every time I actually get to a roadblock, I tend to really be like, okay, if I do this, this is what's going to happen. What can I do differently to get to where I want to be? And for me, like discipline has been really what can get you success, like you always preach every day. And I am witnessing that, I can say, on a daily basis.
Right. Absolutely love it. I love the fact that you also brought up something I literally told you so long ago. The fact that if you are like if you act crappy with one thing, you are going to be crappy with everything in your life. It does not have like life does not say, hey, well, you can be bad at this and be really good, or you can know. However you operate, and it's something that we also discovered or covered today, which was habit, right? We can formulate certain habits, and if we stay in certain habits, or we allow ourselves to operate at a lower level, right? Just because we don't see it as an importance or whatever, that's how we take to everything in our lives. All right. So just like that, sweetheart. Amazing. I love actually this conversation. I love the insight that you just provided for us. Hopefully, a lot of people understand this and they actually stop kind of downplaying certain things in themselves. If you had one more thing to kind of give the viewers, what would it be?
It would be that even though it's not going to be easy, but the more you persist, the greater the results will be. Because you can have bad days, but consistency is key, and that's how you develop new healthy habits. And that's what we all believe and stand by, and that's what's getting a lot of us different results. And I'm very excited to just keep on growing new habits and nurture them.
All right. Awesome, love it. All right, Danita, you've been awesome. Thank you.
Sure.